So look, if you're after decent strawberries and you're in Orange and you're down at the market, get there early.
Yes, 8 o'clock we start at 8, and I'm usually there by 8 or sometimes 15:15 if I haven't quite got everything picked off, and there's a few, because they seem to ripen overnight. So sometimes I'll pop down here at 6:30 in the morning and pick another row, or just run up and down and pick anything else that's ripe, so that then maybe I have an extra half a kilo and someone who's desperate for some would come in and get some. But the market has been fabulous. It's a fabulous place to get fresh fruit and vegetables, and I've been going since November 22 when it started.